We're going to make a J hook out of this 18 gauge 1.5 inch piece of nickel silver wire. You're going to cut it with the wire cutters to begin with off the reel, and then you are going to hammer the end just about that much. On a steel plate, like so. So it's going to have a flattened end just like so. Then you're going to take your round needle nose pliers and you're going to put it on the end that you just flattened and gently bend it so it looks like that. The next step is to take the round needle nose pliers, put it about 1/3 of the way down the wire piece, and flip it up so it makes a J, like so. The next bending will be taking the round needle nose pliers again, putting it on the long tail, and curling it to make a loop. Hold your J hook very steady so that it doesn't bend. And that is all the bending you will need to do to make the J hook. The last thing, you're going to hammer the round area, again on the bench plate. And that's going to be flattened. Sometimes it opens up and you need to take your round needle nose pliers and then just close that so it's butted. Then you will soft solder with the soldering iron that little area closed.